everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, going to take a look at just an absolutely beautiful 1977 Pontiac Trans Am. Love the color combination, guys. This is original factory sterling silver metallic with the factory Firethorn or red interior. Beautiful, beautiful car, man. Bought this from a guy who has, I've actually done a lot of business with him. He's bought quite a few cars from me, and I bought a couple from him now. But great car. I'm not a huge Trans Am guy, to be honest with you. I do love the 77s, but the thing that really drew me to this car is this color. I just think this car is slick. And I will tell you one thing, 57,000 original miles. It's a two-owner car. It is a great running and driving car. A couple little things that you can kind of pick at in the paint, but really, really nice. When I say that, a couple little stone packs. I'll kind of point them out as we walk around. You can see the car was actually restored. They said about 10 years ago. And like I say, as you walk around, you can see a couple little stone pecks in it from driving it. But nice car. Again, gorgeous color combination. This is factory, so I've actually ordered a paint pen for it. That's why we haven't done any touch-up marks to the car. It does have the XA engine, original 400 engine in it. With the XA connotation, that's a 200 horsepower engine. Love the color combination. Of course, it's got the factory sport mirrors on it. Interior is absolutely beautiful. The reason I say I'm not a huge fan of these cars, I believe this car's got all original glass. The front windshield might have been changed. Most of the time when you're driving down the road, these things are real clunky to me, man. They're just rattly, and so I've never been real impressed with these cars. This car's nice and tight. Sorry, guys. And it's also kind of spitting rain out here. This car's tight. This car goes down the road good. It's nice and tight. Feels real good. BF Goodrich Radial TA is all the way around it with the 15-inch aluminum wheels, the factory wheels. It's got a stainless X-pipe dual exhaust system in it with of course the chrome tips. The tips are factory. This is the WS4 Trans Am package. It's a real Trans Am. It's not a Firebird with Trans Am trim on it. It's a real car. Beautiful set of wheels. Those wheels are very, very nice. Of course, it's got the front disc brakes. Good car. Like I say, hits the road real good. I believe they've definitely had this engine out. You can see it's got the it's all been repainted, recoated. Factory 4-barrel, factory intake. It's got a set of hooker headers on it, power steering, power disc brakes, automatic transmission, detailed up real nice underneath the hood. Of course, this isn't original. They've added that chrome alternator, same thing. Wouldn't have come like that. Pretty car, man. There's a little blemish at the bottom of the door there. I think there's a little bit at the corner as well. Not trying to pick it apart, but man, 90% of these cars, I sell them sight unseen, man. Other than through the videos, I try to show you anything and everything that I can see. That gets me in trouble with a lot of people. A lot of people, oh my gosh, you picked the car apart. you know, I've been doing this long enough, man. You know, I don't, I only buy what I like. This car can sit here as long as it wants. I only buy stuff that I'd park in my driveway, so I don't, like I say, I've bought and sold over almost 7,000 of these cars now. And I've yet to see a perfect one. They all got something. Look, I love this interior. That silver with this red is just gorgeous. Bucket seats, console, factory dash. Seats are just, I mean, all this interior is beautiful. Factory tach gauges, 57,632 on your odometer. It's got an am-fm cassette. It's got a CD changer. There's marks from getting in and out of there. Again, it's got Flowmaster mufflers on it with an X-pipe stainless exhaust system in it. Factory rear ends, 10-bolt with the rear sway. Oh, this one's good. It's got a CD changer and an amp that go with it. The jack and spare are in here. You can see it's all spackle painted, original here in the trunk. I do have a car cover that goes with it as well. He's got like a lot of the little original parts and stuff that will go into the car too. That's a pretty car, man. Nice underneath. Can't see it's over detailed or anything like that. Door skins are nice and clean. Seats are gorgeous. I mean, I don't know if they repatted them and refoamed them, but they are nice. Your owner's manuals and everything are in the glove box. Go ahead and fire it up, Nathan. Looks like we got a little antifreeze. I guarantee you that's that chrome gooseneck. Tighten it down. These chrome goosenecks are a pain in the butt. I'm not a fan of chrome anything. I don't like that chrome alternator. I've had a lot of problems. They burn out because of chrome. Pretty car, man. Slick car. Tach works. Gauges are all functional, holding good oil pressure. Yeah, looks like all that stuff's working. Doors open and close nice. Original door tags on that door too. I don't know if I showed you that or not. That car sounds great. That exhaust is nice on that car. Radio?
I can get it to power up.
Wouldn't power up? Right. Blower motor and everything, all that stuff work? Okay. Yeah, doors open and close real nice. I love the headlights on these cars. Yeah, and make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram or our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page, guys. You can do that by clicking the little button there at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time I post a new video. That's a great looking TA, man. front window over on the other side. You can come back.